Good morning and welcome to World Breaking News. I'm Talisa Passini, broadcasting from San Andres Island. In recent days, strong winds and torrential rains have been recorded on the island of San Andres and Providencia. Apparently, everything points to an extremely dangerous tropical cyclone called Hurricane Iota, the most powerful recorded in the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season. Next, my partner from Cartagena.
I am in the city of Cartagena de Indias, where the passage of Hurricane Iota left approximately 160,000 people affected and flooded in their four neighborhoods. The maritime men informed that the usual sea level in the city has risen about 60 centimeters, so that almost all the streets of the tourist neighborhood remain flooded and the traffic is collapsed.
Hello, good morning. Reynaldo Mate is speaking to you from Nicaragua, another country that has been hit the strong hurricane Iota. Iota is already considered the strongest hurricane that has hit Nicaragua in the story of the Central American country, and so far it has left several deaths according to the local government. The Vice President of the East Country reported on Wednesday that so far 15 people have died due to the passage of the hurricane in the country, and more than 100 people have been affected by the strong wind. It made landfall near Hurlover on Tuesday.
That's right, because the specialists of the National Hurricane Center warned that this powerful tropical storm has reached Category 5, with maximum sustained winds of 260 km per hour and a minimum central pressure of 917 millibar. Testimonies of the inhabitants ensured that the weather conditions have made it difficult to communicate with the other islands, as well as causing loss of all kinds, from appliances, necessities until houses, reason why many people have been left defenseless. Next, my partner from Cartagena.
On the other hand, to attend to the emergency in Cartagena, the authorities had delivered more than 3 tons humanitarian aid, including food, clothing, mattresses, market, and drinking water to people who lost all or part of their home to Hurricane Iota. They also put into operation heavy machinery at 3 locations in the city to angle sewer and drainage pipes.
It is considered a Category 4 hurricane with maximum sustained winds near 250 km per hour. There is almost no communication with Bilwi due to blackouts and downed power lines. Iota degraded to a Category 4 hurricane when it made landfall and later a tropical storm. The center of the storm was expected to move over southern Honduras and continue to weaken near El Salvador.
Currently, the destruction of their infrastructure is 98%. We know the case of Herman Gomez, owner of a hotel who stayed more than 12 hours in a bathroom protecting himself from strong winds. He had arrived in Providence 12 days before, thinking of reopening in December, after 8 months of closure due to the pandemic. But unfortunately, he found this terrible event. And just like Herman, there are more than 6,000 people among inhabitants and tourists of the island that report many losses. World Breaking News has created a relief fund for all people affected by Hurricane Iota. If you wish to help, you can donate from $1 to the bank account that appears on the screen. Or you can send your in-kind contributions to WBN Center located in Miami, Florida, Gateway West, 5789th Street. That's it for today. World Breaking News stands in solidarity with all those affected. Good day until our next broadcast.